Have you ever wondered why so many people try, but so few actually manage to get rich in a short time? What if I told you there is an exact, proven formula for you to start from zero and build a fortune in just 5 years? And the best part, this formula doesn't require luck, inheritance, or extraordinary talents. It's for anyone willing to act with focus and discipline. Stay with me until the end, and while you're here, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Here you'll find everything you need to truly transform your financial life. Those who join this community get access to exclusive content that speeds up this transformation. But first, it's crucial that you understand that getting rich is not just about making more money. On the contrary, it's a matter of mindset, habits, and eliminating what holds you back from growing and building wealth. To start, you need to identify and break down the beliefs that are stopping you. Do you believe, for example, that money is dirty? That only people born into wealth get rich? Or that you'll never be able to manage a higher income? These beliefs are buried deep in your subconscious and hold you back, even if you don't realize it. True wealth begins when you change how you think about money and yourself, and that requires courage to look inward and take responsibility. Next, I want you to imagine the profile of a person who manages to get rich. They are not magical or special in any way. They are someone who built powerful daily habits that make them act differently from most people. This person stays focused on clear goals, doesn't get distracted by instant gratification, and knows how to control their impulses. They understand that money is not just to be spent, but to be multiplied, and you can be that person. The secret lies in what you do consistently, not what you do occasionally. Whoever controls the small decisions every day controls their financial destiny. Now let's talk about the practical steps you must take to build real wealth. First, you need to master the money you already earn, no matter how small your income is today. Knowing exactly where every dollar goes is essential. There's no magic here. If you don't control your spending, you'll never have anything left to invest or grow. Make an honest diagnosis. How much you earn, how much you spend, where you can cut back. But don't stop there. Understand your financial profile, your emotional triggers. Why do you buy on impulse? What are your real motivations? Without this self-knowledge, any plan will be like building a house on sand. But controlling expenses isn't enough. The next step is to increase your income. If you earn $500 a month and manage to save 20%, that's $100. Now, if you can double your income to $1,000 and keep the same savings rate, you'll have $200 to invest and make your money work for you. So your focus in the first year should be creating new sources of income. Freelance jobs, local services, digital sales, even reselling products. Use the skills you have today, no matter how simple, to generate this extra flow. And remember, the goal is not to get rich overnight, but to build financial breathing room and grow. With higher income and some money left over, it's time to organize for growth. A simple and powerful strategy is to divide your earnings into 3 parts. One for your basic expenses, rent, food, transportation, about 50%, another for your investments, at least 30%, and the last part, 20%, for personal growth. Courses, books, coaching, experiences that will make you evolve. This system takes you out of survival mode and activates your growth. Most people don't follow this because they want to spend everything now, but those who think about the future know directing money is the key to freedom. We've reached the moment many fear. Investing. Investing isn't just putting money in the stock market hoping it will grow. It's building true passive income machines. Start with what you understand and what has less risk. Government bonds, real estate investment trusts, REITs, shares of solid companies that pay dividends. And if you're interested in business, think about small digital or physical operations that can scale. But before you put money in, invest first in your knowledge to avoid traps. Learning to invest is more valuable than the best asset you can buy today. Another fundamental point that few understand is reinvestment. Many people start earning more, and when they see the first profits, they want to spend. This is a big mistake. To speed up wealth, you need to reinvest nearly 100% of what you earn in the first years. This creates a snowball effect that, over time, will explode your net worth. Think like this. Every cent that goes back into the financial game makes your money work for you multiplied. This phase is like planting a forest. You have to nurture, water it, and wait because the harvest will be generous later. And here is the most powerful secret: consistency. 5 dedicated, focused, and disciplined years can change your life forever. Imagine being debt-free in 5 years, with multiple income streams, solid investments, and, most importantly, the freedom to choose where and how you want to live. It's not about perfection, it's about persistence. Will there be stumbles? Of course. Will there be doubts? Certainly. But those who get there are the ones who keep going, even when everything seems tough. That's why your journey must be marked by clarity of purpose, daily discipline, and the ability to get up quickly and move forward. Now let's dive into a point few people talk about, but that's decisive for anyone who wants to get rich fast: the power of your network. Building a strong, aligned network can accelerate your results exponentially. Think about it. No one reaches the top alone. Those who have access to mentors, partners, and like-minded people advance much faster. But it's not enough to just know people. You have to build genuine relationships, offer value, and be open to learning and collaborating. Networking is more than a business card, it's a true financial asset. Another factor that might be holding you back is falling into common traps that divert you from wealth. Many people repeat the same mistakes: spending more than they earn, investing in trends without understanding, procrastinating learning, and especially believing that getting rich is luck or chance. These mistakes create a cycle of frustration that can last years. Recognizing these traps is the first step to avoid them. To get where you want, you need to learn to identify these barriers and create strategies to overcome them. And if there's one thing that guarantees your continuous growth, it's ongoing financial education. The world changes, the rules of the game change, and those who stop learning fall behind. Reading books, following experts, taking courses, and seeking quality information is what separates the rich from the poor over time. Your pursuit of knowledge must be relentless and strategic. Learn about investments, personal finance, entrepreneurship, and most importantly, about yourself. Learning changes the way you act and opens doors to opportunities you didn't even imagine. Another key factor that directly impacts your financial success is mindset. There are 2 mindsets: scarcity, which limits, locks you, and generates fear, and abundance, which expands, creates opportunities, and generates courage. You might be living with the wrong mindset without even realizing it, but the good news is you can change. Developing an abundance mindset isn't just thinking positively, it's acting, planning, and preparing for success. Believing that money is a resource available to those who deserve it. And of course, I can't fail to talk about fear and uncertainty. They are natural but cannot be enemies of your journey. Knowing how to deal with these feelings is essential to move forward. Use fear as fuel to plan better, to be more cautious, but never to stop. Uncertainty can be a powerful ally if you learn to manage risks and be prepared for ups and downs. Those who understand that wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, can use these feelings to grow, not give up. So let's recap everything we've seen here. First, master your finances in your mind. Second, increase your income. Third, manage your money wisely. Fourth, invest in what you understand. Fifth, reinvest everything in the first years. Sixth, maintain focus and discipline for at least 5 years. Seventh, cultivate valuable connections. Eighth, avoid common mistakes. Ninth, invest in continuous education. 10th, develop an abundance mindset. And finally, learn to deal with fear and uncertainty. This is the exact formula to go from zero to building real, solid, and lasting wealth. Those who follow this path don't depend on luck. They depend on strategy, courage, and action. Now that you have this roadmap, the question is, what are you going to do with this information? Will you keep watching videos, hoping luck will change your life? Or will you apply, act, and build your own story? This decision is yours alone and will define your entire financial future. I challenge you to choose action, even if you're afraid or uncertain. There is no path without a start. And to support you on this journey, I created a special product service that will guide you step by step to apply this formula in practice. It's a proven, tested method that takes you out of doubt and puts you on the right path with clarity and confidence. Plus, those who act fast get exclusive bonuses that accelerate their transformation. You don't have to do this alone. If you're ready to get out of stagnation, to have clarity, and a step-by-step that really works, subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and hit the notification bell. Here you'll find real, direct content focused on results. The next video can be your turning point, but only if you're with us. I believe in you. Now it's your turn. Remember, it doesn't matter where you are today. What matters is the decision you make now. Decide to do things differently. Decide to dream big. Decide to act. Because wealth is not a matter of luck. It's the consequence of the right choices, habits, and strategies. Your journey starts here. Let's go together.